Yeah. Car show. You get me?
Then now, one girl when you love with him, when you love with him now, when basically the tire, the head up, you have Glendina, you have the bigger Glendina, you have the bad Glendina. This is bigger Glendina now, Glendina, the other one now, the army like that, she never feel like it. And when she comes to the man, say, you, and the first man say, you want them, I say, but you went to the man say, yeah, me know. Check it out now. The last she end up release the scene for it, but they can't track it. And after all the best people, Mr. Brother, I send you that alone, brother. Mr. Brother, I want fight one next, brother, the man not get a break my own. Brother, the whole health episode of Brother, the more next end. This is the fourth season I wait about.
1996 Corolla, boy. Hot rods. Big bad car show.
Season 5 start after the fight.
Hot rod.
Season 5 start after
Good race. Got a big machine coming in now. Woo. 1999 Honda car. B-Tech. Yes, I mean. Stick shift. Got that boy. Stick shift. Nice. Put my artist blood in our car show. So it's a lifestyle setting. Put my artist car show. But like, comment and subscribe, people. More to come. Got my MacGyver, son. at that. Woo. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, the fleet boy. Oh, look at that boy. Look at that bad boy right here. Woo! 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 Look at that. Shit, man. Sick. Woo! Big boy. Big boy. Look at that. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Oh, peeps. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Nice BMW. Yeah. Yeah. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Toy. Big boy toy. Big boy toy. Big boy. Big boy. Your video, boy. Resume. 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 Resume, sir.